Hey, it's Connor, and I'm on my way out to the back pasture, and I'm gonna give you guys a little look at how we're coming along with the greenhouse back here. So we got a piano in the woods for some reason now.
Hi. No. Winston. Wow.
Guard dog.
Everything's fine.
So we've got a roof now up here on the greenhouse. That's what Jesse's working on up there. Basically just this corrugated plastic. We put our trusses up. We put some boards up. And then the plastic over top. And there it is. I was the one up there doing all the work when it was really up high.
Hey, can you give me those screws? We have to climb the ladder. Do you think these boards will break?
The ones you're standing on?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
I think they'll crack first. Give me a warning.
Master builder. You did cut those pretty much perfect.
Yeah, I did.
These are the last pieces of the roof that are going up. You missed it by that much. Where's the other edge? Here's the other edge. That's how much we missed it by. So we're fixing that.
Mostly.
Oh, darling. Just in case anybody's worried about this roof, we have had literal gale force winds and a foot of snow on top of it. And the snow has sat on it and then fallen off and not caused any structural damage. And the wind hasn't ripped it off. So our hurricane straps with a nail in it, doing pretty damn good.
Hey, can you give me that sheet of
Absolutely not. What?
I need that roof.
Oh. Here you go.
Is that got a sticker on it? Because I know it does.
Great.
Is it running?
Yeah, you show it up there if you want.
Yeah, here's this. Tie up.
What's BFE stand for?
Big friendly energy. There's a horse over there taking a nap.
It ain't dirty at all.
I'm gonna slide this down.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
He acts like I'm not an absolute professional. Look at these glasses. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Going down the roof. Gotta go the other way.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Hell yeah, monster. Oh yeah. There is perfect.
That right there?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Ah, it's really not that big a deal.
Is it?
I don't think so.
You Because you know, you've been intimidated by other parts of this when I wasn't, and that is the part.
The only thing that intimidated me about it was it being up high, so high.
Yeah, he's scared about heights. I'm the one that stands on the sides of the mountain.
I'm not scared about heights. I'm scared about it being
absolutely
unsecured at height.
Terrified of it.
If we were strapped in, or if this was all secure and everything, which once I got some planks to stand on, that was pretty sweet. But I'm not afraid to be up here. This is all solid. I can hang on to it. See, look.
You tell him what
I'm up here, up in the high.
Lies, sweet boy.
Not nice. All right, I'm out of here. Cheech. There it is.
Tried to kill her.
A little bit. He's fast! Inky Binky. That's Winston. Alright, that's our greenhouse. Thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned when we put the front of it on. And a door. Bye, greenhouse.
Where are you going?
Away. It's the end of the video. I have to leave.
No!
We gotta leave now.
No!
I'm leaving. Goodbye, I'm going.